Hey guys, today I would like to show my findings on RGB mechanical keyboard repair. I have used this keyboard only a few months, and the letter YHN fail. This is my second mechanical keyboard. My first mechanical keyboard has a few button fail, so I dump it into my rubbish bin. With this second mechanical keyboard, before decided to throw it away, tried to repair it. I have replaced the 3 fail mechanical button, still fail. I open the keyboard and examine the circuit, seems okay. I predicted it may be due to dry soldering. Here I show you the fail keyboard button. I took my soldering iron and soldered this 3-diode terminal. After soldered all the diode, I connected the keyboard to my desktop. There was already LED on. Y H N button. It's working back.